What's good, YouTube, man? What's good, everybody? Catch up with it here, man. Back it again with another video, man. So today, this video, is strictly educational, understanding market structure, but I will be strictly focusing on the 1 hour time frame. So with that being said, as you know the drill, we open our charts, so line charts. As you can see here, the market gave us a high here, a high low, right? A high. This is also breakout, right? So after a breakout, we know that we always expect a correction, and then afterward, a further impulse moves towards the upside. So this is then the market giving us a breakout. So what we do then next is that we should wait for a correction. After correction, we wait for the market to confirm for us that the market is indeed in our favor, which is buying, right? So after that, the market is going to give us a retracement. So I'll start off catering for my high here, which is now broken outside. So the reason being that this high is so very important at this point because we are expecting the market to come at this point and give us a retracement for us to take a trade on, right? Then we're gonna cater for also this high, and then this high is not only just a high, but it's a high. And as you can see that the market has indeed broken outside this last high, right? So I'm gonna also like cater for this high. We are waiting for the market to give us what you call a high low for us to take a buy and continue with this because this is a what I'm saying, something that looks bullish, what I'm saying. So you're gonna now cater for this as a high, right? This is our high, you see, or just a high. Let me just put it like this is a high, right? Then the market further pushed higher, you see, and then we got ourselves a higher high. Then the market we will, as you know, it will we wait for a correction. So the market then given us a correction. Oh, we're just waiting for a correction. Then simply like that, we wait for a correction. The market came down, gave us a what? A correction. Then afterwards we have to wait for a confirmation, right? So we can see an inside haram. This candlestick is an inside haram, guys. This is a confirmed bullish entry, guys. A bullish entry, guys. As you can see, this market is giving us a confirmation that the market will push up or will go in our favor, which is buying, right? So then we're gonna cater for this level as a higher low because of the market has indeed given us a low, and then this low it's higher than the previous low, which is this low, right? As you can see, the market has perpetuated this momentum towards the upside, giving us an impulse move towards the upside, which is perpetuation of this momentum, bullish momentum. Then we get ourselves a higher high, right? So we're gonna cater for this level as a higher high. Because of this high, it's now even higher than this higher high, all of this previous highs, right? So then obviously we're gonna wait for another thing, right? Same thing, breakout, correction, continuation. This is what we're gonna expect every time. This is the drill, guys. We always have to like wait and what I'm saying, like expect this if we are in a trend. You see, that's why a trend is our friend. Market structure is our friend. You know what I'm saying? So then because it's for this high, then we are expecting the market to correct on and above this previous high or current high. Then the market after correcting to us this level, we're expecting a confirmation. As I told you before here, I told you about confirmations. The market has to confirm buys for us because we are looking for buys. In a bullish market, we are always looking for buys. If the market is bullish, which is an upside trend or bullish trend, we always want to buy, right? So we're gonna wait and wait for confirmation. So then the market came, corrected on this level, but instead the market didn't confirm a buy entry, guys. So this is what you wanna wait for, a confirmed buy entry. Then the market didn't give us the end. Our prediction were invalidated. Obviously, like we don't force predictions in the market. We are not lions in the market. We are crocodiles in the market. Our predictions will be that should the market then come here, give us a confirmation, we are open and ready for buys, right? The opposite is also true. Should the market then break below here, I'm saying retest above this level, we are good to sell, which is what we call breakout structure, guys. And as you can see, this is a low, right? And this low, it's lower, I'm saying? It's not high, it's lower. So this is then when we have our confluence, which is a what? A breakout structure. So this low, now we call it a lower low because this low is lower, you see, and we're gonna say this is a lower low. So we can see a breakout structure then. The drill here is to buy low and sell high, you see. Then the market, as you can see, we see a possible bearish trend formation. So the market then give us a lower low here. So characteristics of a bearish trend is what? series of lower lows and lower highs was downside. So the market then came, giving us what a confirmation. Beautiful confirmation, guys. Look at this. A bearish engulfing. So this is what you want to wait for. This is what the types of confirmation that you're looking for in the market. You always want to look for. You know what I'm saying? So lower low, lower high, confirmed by a sell entry. So the buyers were invalidated and sellers were what validated. So this is a lower high. Then I enter my sells, guys. Always my take profit will be on the next low. Also, as you can see, the market then giving us a beautiful Catholic entry confirmation. So our take profit will be on this low. First take profit, right? So then afterward, if the market now is going in our favor like this, and then our stop loss will be obviously like on this high. You see a good 1:2 what ratio. This is what we wanna always aim for. Afterwards, what I wanna do is then um obviously trade my stop loss, which is um stop loss below entry. You know what I'm saying? So I entered here and then my stop loss was here. So if the market now is in profit, so I want to protect my profits, right? I'll then trade my stop loss somewhere here. So the market, if the market comes and take me out, it takes me out in profits. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's how it is. Because the market, you won't always, you know what I'm saying, force position the market. The market will always behave whatever and however it wants to. You know what I'm saying? So then, as you can see, the market didn't hit our TP. What it did, it the buyers were so much in control. The market was just like bullish, you know what I'm saying? Like bullish market. This is a bullish market, clear bullish market. You see, continuation shot upside. The market failed to continue here, but it then came again. You see, if we were to buy, it will be always above a high. You see, then this is not anywhere above the high. It's just, you know what I'm saying, like or on a significant low or something like that. So I won't take a trade here. So instead, I will wait for the market to just like give me a good opportunity, which is breaking out and retesting here. You see, the market did that. The market gave us a teaser stop here, and then beautifully, as like that, as I told you, breakout, correction, continuation. It did that. You see, so a high again. So then what you do is you gonna cater for those levels. A high here, as you can see. You see, a previous high here. I cater for that high. You see, I also cater for this high. You see. So let me keep the chart clean also, guys. Then I wanna understand what's going on here. I wanna read price beautifully and understand what's going on here. So I can see that okay, cool. It's giving us a strong low. This is a strong, beautiful low. Also, like I wanna understand types of levels, like strong levels and just you know what I'm saying, concentration levels. There's difference between those. So then like really market structure, we can see that this was our last high, you know. So I can also like probably like even delete this, you know what I'm saying, like this level here, this what you call, yeah, level here, because like this was just something like a continuation level. I'm waiting for the market to give me a high low below this level, you see, and continue. So the market failed to do that. Instead, the market had, right, as I told you here, guys, the market then broke outside here, giving us a lower low, you see, and we tested with a lower high, confirming sell entries, guys. So this is what you want to look for, you see. So this is the trade that you should have caught and that I didn't much see because like I didn't like, I guess I was tricked by levels, guys. So this is how you can like capitalize from this level, like this one. See here, lower low, and then recess with a lower high here. So if I'm looking to perpetuate this momentum, I'm looking for the market to come and retest again here to this level because of the market has successfully broken below that level. Mind you, this market has broken below this level. You know what I'm saying? The market has successfully broken below this level. So I'm looking for the same thing. Continuation of this bearish momentum, you see. Until then the market breaks below this level. That's when I'm looking for what long selling positions, you know what I'm saying? Like to usually like take this further, you know what I'm saying? Otherwise, this is how I'm looking for this trade. And then the opposite is also true, guys. So should the market now invalidates this bearish kind of bearish trend, you see this prediction, it will be then the market breaking above this level here, resisting above it, you know what I'm saying? Resisting above this level here, and then that's it. That's what you should go for. This is how the market moves, guys. Trends and market structure goes hand in hand. If now I can like just like narrate this and conclude this trade, I'll go like this. This is what I would do. You know what I'm saying? This is how I analyze it and keep the chart clean.